The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, unveiled earlier this month, is now available for purchase in the UK through Samsung's official UK website. Color options will be blue, black, and gray. It has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a water drop notch, 90Hz refresh rate, 1100 nit peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass Victus on top. The A17 5G will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 SoC. The phone will come with 128GB of storage and 4/6/8GB of RAM, and one 256GB option with 8GB of RAM. A triple rear camera system, 50MP main with OIS, 5MP ultrawide, 2MP macro, a 13MP selfie camera, a 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W wired charging. It's IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The Galaxy A17 5G could start at 18,999 Indian rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB model. Is expected to launch in India around September 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.